If you want to reach more people with short videos but not sure how to post Reels on your Facebook page, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to upload Reels on a Facebook page so you can grow your audience and boost engagement. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Switch to that page on which you want to upload Reels. Once done, go to that page's profile. Press here to create a post. Select a video from your mobile you want to post as a Reel. Then edit if you want to. Add text, add stickers, do whatever you want to, and press next. Add location, share into your groups, tag people, select audience. Can schedule this if we want to post later. Can check copyright. Can add captions. Can enable monetization. And much more. Add topics related to your video. Once everything done, press share now, and your Facebook Reel will be posted. That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.